this just for the health of it. Wanted to share some information during the coronavirus here. If you look at our diagram, in the thoracic spine, in the middle back, it does go to the respiratory system, okay? And making sure that you don't have a lot of restrictions so your mid-back is very healthy. Now, we had made these lovely masks. We know they're hard to find. You can make them at home, put your initials on them. I actually spray mine with colloidal silver and other antiseptics. If the antiseptic is actually in the tissue before you breathe in, it does create somewhat of a protective barrier as you're inhaling. And we have some options. So if you have 2 rubber bands at home and a paper towel, and you fold it up and staple it in the corners, you can make yourself a mask, okay? And then we have a treatment where we use our lovely cold laser. I don't know if any of you are familiar with the thymus gland or the cold laser. Can I have a lovely assistant? So starting Monday, we will have treatment bays outdoors where we will do thymus gland treatments with our cold laser. And we will give you one of these masks if you didn't figure out how to make them yourself already. Have a seat. And the thymus gland in the endocrine system is one of the most powerful endocrine systems there are. So if we take the cold laser, it's found right under the breastbone. You can also put some mint on there. You will be much healthier. Okay, so stay healthy out there and enjoy.